Hey good people, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys the empty house when we first got the keys. And let me just say, we did not get our keys on closing day. The seller refused to transfer possession and give us the keys. So it was a day later when we actually got them. But we were so happy to get them because getting a house just wasn't easy for us. We had to go through a lot. If you know anything about student loans and just working with lenders, it can get kind of messy. But we finally found like the perfect loan for us where we did not have to put money down for a down payment, and it just all worked out. So when they said they didn't want to give us the keys, I'm like, really? But anywho, this is a 1960s, maybe late 1950s home. It has more of a mid-century ranch to it. It is original, so this is a fixer-upper to most people's standards, but for us, it was the best fixer-upper for us to get. So the owner, he took a lot of pride in his home. He was the only one that owned the property, so we are the second property owners. And a lot of things was still in its original state, which to me means old, but also means that it can stand the test of time. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys can get inspired by not being able to maybe buy your dream home, but you can buy something that has the potential to be your dream home.
Oh, there we go.